Hey YouTube, heavy duty reviews. I'm going to show my three Smith Wesson revolvers. I have a model 19-2, which is pinned and recessed. I have a model 629-6, 44 Magnum, and I have a Smith Wesson model 66 No Dash with the stainless sights. It is also pinned and recessed. These are my bargain guns, I like to call them, even though they don't, you know, they look, really nice. They did not come like this. I had to recondition the metal. They had some issues, some wet sanding, well, not on the blue revolver, of course, but some Blue Wonder gun cleaner, some rust removal for that, shining it up with some Renaissance wax. The 629 had some issues. Wet sanded it from 400 all the way to 2000 wet sand. 400, 800, 1000, 1500, and 2000. And then used some Mother's Magnum aluminum polish on it. Still waiting on the grips from Altamont. Got some really nice custom Smith & Wesson silver medallion engraved super rosewood grips, which these are nice. These are comfortable. These are very comfortable. But I prefer the wood grips more to grab onto, and just the look of the wood. But yeah, this is a beast. A 44 Magnum is a beast of a gun. A 357 Magnum will get the job done, don't get me wrong. But if you look at the bullets, this is a 357 Magnum, and on your right, and that's a 44 Magnum. And of course, I load all my guns. I keep them loaded. I unloaded them for the video, but I keep them loaded with Underwood ammo. If it will focus. Starline brass, semi-jacketed, and some gold dots, same, well, with the 44, it's all semi-jacketed hollow points, 200 grain, 240 grain. This is my model 66 over here. It was produced with the stainless sights, so it's kind of a rare model. Same thing with this one, wet sand from 400 to 2000 grit sandpaper, and a lot of Mother's polish. This has the best trigger of any of my guns, this model 66. This whole side plate right here, which I need to, it needs wiped off. It's got oil on it right now, but it was completely scratched up, dinged up, and now it's not. So I get all these guns at a bargain. These two, the model 19-2 and the 629-6, I got from Bud's Gun Shop, and I got a great deal on those. The model 66 I got from Jake Way's Fine Guns. Shout out to them. I'd like to shout out to Big Swole 58. From watching his videos on the wet sanding, I learned a lot. These are aftermarket grips. I have the original grips, the diamond Coco Alva's target grips that came with it on the model 19-2, and these are aftermarket grips. These just came with some pack wires. I like these. I like the cutouts for speed loaders. Speed loaders. Because I carry these guns. These are carry guns. That in my Beretta PX4 Storm 40 caliber, which I love. Shout out to Talon Grips and Beretta. I carry this gun a lot too. Most accurate gun you could ever imagine. And I also run Underwood ammo in it, really hot ammo, 135 grain, 165 grain, Nosslers and Gold Dots, and it is 100% reliable. Knock wood. Knock wood. And it, I've got a 14 round mag in there now, and one in the pipe, so we'll keep our finger away from the trigger, of course. But this is a very soft shooting gun, even with really hot loads in it, and double taps are no problem. Magnums, you know. It's got great sights on it, just from the factory. And you can see my spare magazine is loaded with Underwood. So shout out to Smith Wesson, Underwood ammo, Renaissance wax, HKS speed loaders, Beretta. Oh yeah, and I got these great tack packs from Smith & Wesson. These things are awesome. The M&P, it did have a, oh yeah, there it is. And I store them in there, so I've got the VCI paper in there. But yeah, got this one. Got this one to put the 629 in, VCI paper. Got this one, take to the range. Put a couple guns in. This is an awesome case too. Shout out to Azula holsters. This is for my 357 Magnums. This one is for the 44 Magnum. Very nicely done holsters from Azula. These are both left-handed because I'm left-handed. And the Takwaya holster for the Beretta. Love Takwaya. So yeah. Peace, and I'm out.